Hi, in this session I'm going to show you the different for loops in PHP. Now there are two for loops in PHP. One is for loop, I'm just going to name it, and the other one is a for each loop. Let's see how a for loop is done in PHP. To start with, it starts with a for keyword, and it has three parts separated by semicolon. The first part is the initialization part. The second part does a condition check. So I'm just going to say 10 over here. And the third part is the incrementer part. Now this for is going to loop 10 times in steps of 1. So this is going to increment. This is something, this is saying I is equal to, I'm just going to comment this, $I plus 1. So it's just an incrementer. So every time this runs, it is going to increment by 1. Now let's echo out the I variable over here, and let's put a BR so that we get the result on a separate line. And let's see what it looks like on the front end. So now it is going, it has displayed us till 9. So we have a condition over here that says less than 10, which means it is going to loop until it is 9, and the step is 1. So it has incremented the values in steps of 1. Now this is one for loop. The other for loop that we have is a for each for loop. So for each has this syntax. So it starts with a for each, and then we have a variable, and then we have a key and a value, and we have a as keyword in between. Now what is the difference between for loop and for each loop? The difference is this works this works on when we have finite condition over here. For example, here we are saying that we want it to loop like 10 times, but in a for each loop we don't have that finite condition. It is going to loop all the elements that are available in the variable, and this variable is an array. That means for each works on an array. So this is the difference. This is often a question asked in interviews, job interviews. This is a very important construct of PHP. So let's continue with this. So I'm going to say, I'm going to declare array over here. So I'm going to say fruits, and I'm going to declare an array. And in that array, I'm going to say zeroth element is apple, and first element is mango, second element is grapes, so we have this array now. So let's put this fruits over here, and let's echo out the keys and value. So I'm going to echo out val key, and I'm going to give a BR over here just to separate it out, and I'm going to echo the value, and let's see what happens over here. So we have 0th element is apple, 1 is mango, and 2 is grapes. Let me just put a BR at the top just to make things clear. And that should do it, I think. Let me put a br after value as well. So we have 0 apple, 1 mango and 2 grapes. Now what there is another variation to this. You can say you can ignore the key part of it and the arrow and just say echo value. In that way you should only get values, so you can omit the key part. So in these two for loops, now we know the difference, that this works on an array whereas this works on a finite condition over here. Both of these for loops used in different scenarios, and it is these are widely used in PHP applications. So practice these loops as much as you can, and I'll see you in the next video. In the next video we are going to see a switch construct of PHP, which is a very useful construct. If you are finding this videos useful, then please like my videos or subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.